So in this video, you'll learn how to uninstall apps on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So if you've installed an app and you want to uninstall it, whether it's to free up space or you just no longer need to use the app, it's fairly simple. All you need to do is locate the app, whether it's on the home screen or in the apps drawer. And once you've located the app, you want to long press on the app icon like that. And then from this menu that appears on your screen, this one right here, what you want to do is simply select uninstall, and then confirm that you wish to uninstall the app. Tap on OK. And then the app icon will disappear, meaning that it's been successfully uninstalled. Again, long press on the app icon, tap on uninstall in this menu, confirm your choice, and the app will disappear. And so that's how you can uninstall any apps on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.